From Safari Park, the vehicles tomorrow very early in the morning at around 6 will be proceeding to Kasarani Stadium. And at around 8, they will be proceeding to KICC through Thika Road to KICC, where the ceremonial flag-off is going to take place. Some roads are going to be disrupted. That's the flow along some roads. And it is for this reason that I urge the public to bear with us, that we are going to disrupt some roads to have safe way for these rally cars. And it's better that they avoid the Uhuru Highway, they avoid Thika Road, the main route for this event. And indeed, we actually wish each and everybody a safe day, as we shall all be there to watch over this event.